When we first got to get around playing at different clubs, and we work boarding school where you're very much on your own, you like your own company. Buckingham Palace, and then you've got, and it is okay. My husband's okay, but I build a foundation because
that was a period of great self-reflection for me. What am I bad at? What am I good at? And I decided to lean into my strengths in the early days. I'm introverted, shy, I'm not good at people management.
You would consider an anomaly that caused you to become the anomaly you are today.
The work experience that I did at that age was basically with my granddad. And what my granddad built was an Aesthetician. And in terms of, keeping... I ended up getting into sixth form or chief exec, depending on the size of the business. I know where I want to take it, and I'm going to track it there. And I don't really care what you say, because...
I'm like connecting these dots.
Yeah, there's a hell of a lot of challenges on there.
I can agree more. I always say I've said
I don't really care what you say, because this is my vision. It was the group that could do everything, but you needed all these different it's like the Avengers, right? The Avengers are
at the start of the company, when you're talking about the requirement of sessions.
Hey guys, so very quick update on certain things. First of all, the course I told you about that I was doing this week is finally today and tomorrow. I'm a bit upset because they sent the different time zones and the different times that it will fall, and I just realized that from Toronto time it is 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Just imagine. Oh my god, I'm dreading it. I'm dreading it, honestly speaking. Yeah, so that's it basically. So I'm trying to do some work. I see if I can rest before I start my course by 8 p.m. Do you know, you show me that I want to sleep off. But let me see how it goes. Anyway, catch you guys later.
Guys as well involved. We have now over 100 licensees utilizing the skills that they learned from this program
to enhance the user experience. Okay, similar with color as well. It doesn't have so much apart from the fact if it's in a foundation.